Follow directions. It's starting to come out. Here it comes. Oh, it better be darker than that. It looks pretty light. It's brewing 1 cup of coffee. 1 cup. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't look very dark. It's kind of clear. Maybe it's just a black coffee. It's super quiet. Did I do something wrong? Why did it stop? There it goes. Alrighty. Oh, it looks darker now. There it goes. Oh yeah, it's going now. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. We're in the game. We're in the coffee biz. I'm gonna get my coffee going in the morning. Woo! I'm an expert barista. Yes. Eat your heart out, Starbucks. This is Daddy's kitchen. Oh yeah.
It's a really compact machine. I haven't used it, I haven't turned it on, but I'm really liking this feature. Like, I used to be a barista, so having this is great. It's like actually you can hold the handle. You don't have to grab it, you know, like the old school. Really small. It fits really nicely in the kitchen. My countertop is not that big, so. And it did come with this ladle, which is great. So you can scoop it, and then when you're actually doing your coffee, you can tap it down. I ordered this on the side. It's a little coffee frother, and it just fits really nice. So I'm really excited to use it.
If you are looking for a simple espresso machine, this one works perfect. Be patient. It does take a little bit of time to start brewing, but it is very simple, it's straightforward, and look at that fresh espresso. So excited. For years I have wanted an espresso machine, but I could not bring myself to pay hundreds or thousands of dollars. So for under $100, I now have espresso, and I am so excited.
Okay, real quick review for my little espresso machine. It's a perfect little machine. I just used it to make a cup and drank it. The only thing I don't like about it is that this frother is kind of flimsy and moves around. But besides that, it works perfectly. It makes perfect coffee, makes perfect espresso. I'd highly recommend it.
Too easy, too cute, perfect.
Terminaron las acciones en el grupo A del Clásico Mundial de Béisbol.